बस इधर ये साइड में घूमते हैं। यहाँ पर देखिए इधर देखिए सेंटर मैम, यहाँ पे देखिए मैम, तृप्ति मैम, यहाँ पे देखिए मैम, तृप्ति मैम, यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे दिस साइड इधर लास्ट कॉर्नर दिस साइड मैम सेंटर में देखिए मैम, इधर जी सेंटर में, यहाँ पे मैम अरे वेट चलो भाई ऊपर जा रहे हो। आराम से Yeah. All gone?
Please. Yes, round of applause. Yes, sir. That's all for you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for taking the time out and coming here for this very special occasion. I want to thank, in no particular order, Sajid, Imtiaz, Tripti, Avinash, and Preeti for coming here just now, taking the time out for this new initiative that we have launched, which is bringing some classics back onto the big screen. And I just can't tell you how happy I am, because it shows two things. One, that despite everything that has happened after COVID, and despite these movies being available on all sorts of platforms for a fraction of an amount, yet people, Indian moviegoer is just incredible, insatiable appetite it has to go out and watch movies on the big screen. And that's what makes whatever we've done over the last 34 years at least worthwhile, because we've tried to make all our cinemas very experiential. So that means movies must be seen on the big screen. So I just can't tell you, I'm completely overwhelmed by the response of all these classics. And I also want to thank the filmmakers who made these stories which are timeless. Iski shelf life choti nahi hai, bahut lambi hai. 2018 mein this movie got released, so I'm guilty of not watching it at that time. But after seeing the trailer, it just blew me away. And I must compliment the two of you as well. I mean, whatever little scene I've seen of the performance looks quite amazing. And Preeti, you're the producer, not just the presenter. So well done. And just very happy with this initiative. And all I can say is that from our point of view, we commit ourselves to playing lots of such classics which come back again. I think we're releasing it tomorrow on 75 screens. Wow. I've been told that Tripti's sister also can't get a ticket. But we'll pull that one. And also just want to compliment you guys for all the wonderful work that you're doing. And thank you for being here. Thanks very much.
Mr. Ajay? Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Imtiaz, sir, can we have a few words from you, please?
It's a dream come true moment for all of us over here. And which Ajay says wants to come and watch films on the big screen primarily. And it's just overwhelming to be here. Imagine a movie that doesn't do well and is pulled down from the theaters within a week. 6 years later is brought back. Not because we wanted it, because we would have wanted it to run for many weeks right in the beginning. But because of two things, and the larger thing is the love and the voice of the people. The audience of the country is also finding out ways of being heard. This is one such thing, where they say that if they want to watch a certain film, which as Ajay said is available already in OTT, etc., but if they want to see it on the big screen, they will damn well get it back. And that is what has happened. Cinema lives on forever. and Ajay's vision, and his love, your love, sir, for cinema itself, which drove you in the first place to come out with the PVR chain and theaters 34 years back. 34 has it been? Yes. So they provided and they kept these movies alive in their hearts and their minds. A few weeks earlier, Rockstar was released, and Ajay and I were both here talking about the release of that film and the fact and that did well, thank God, again with the love of the audience. So they want to see this kind of thing on the big screen. It gives emphasis to the producers, directors, and people like all of us to do better, actually. To not play film industry like the stock exchange, but actually make things that live on forever. And the title and the kind of theme for this Laila Majnu event, I feel in my mind, is Love Never Dies. So let's keep that in mind, and congratulations to all that are present here, but also to those that are not present here who are equally a part of the team. That is Ekta and her whole team. And you know, when you say that movie lives on for a long time, even more than that, the music lives on, I feel. पत्ता अनारों का, पत्ता चिनारों का, जैसे हवाओं में. To the man that wrote that also, we'd like to give thanks. ऐसे भटकता हूँ, दिन रात मिलता हूँ मैं तेरे राहों में. So, of course, these lines are meant to live forever. And the music that accompanies it. So, to Joy Borua, to Niladri Kumar, to Irshad Kamil, to Ekta, and the whole team that's missing now, we did it, guys. Congratulations. Yay. And now, let's hear it from the man who made the movie. That is Sajid Ali. The movie belongs to the director. Let's see what he has to say.
Seriously overwhelmed. This is something that none of us expected to be sitting here today. And I don't know how much, what I can say on this day. As I sit here, I feel that the public has already spoken for us. And as I sit here today, I feel zero ownership of this film. I think it belongs to the people. And thank you so much to the people to drive it back to the theaters and to give us this opportunity to watch it again with you. And heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the blessings that we got from the land and the people of Kashmir. You'll live in our hearts forever. Thank you.
Wonderful. Tripti, can
I'd
we
like to give the
yes.
mic to Preeti, our producer, who's taken the risk.
Actually, the risk was taken by Balaji. So my really, really heartfelt gratitude to Ekta for, showing some trust when we wanted to make the film. And today I'm really overwhelmed that this film is coming after 6 years again to theaters, all thanks to the love that the audiences have shown in the last 6 years into making this film into a cult. And thanks to Mr. Ajay Bijli for having this platform where we can bring the film back in big screens, launching such, things. And also, I didn't get the opportunity to thank my actors 6 years back. Thank you so much for your brilliant performances. Thank you, Imtiaz, for presenting the film. Thank you, Sajid, for making this film the way it is right now and having it to drive it to where it is right now. Thank you so much. Yeah, I did.
And thanks to you also, Preeti, for having the heart to make a film like this. It's not easy.
Thank you. And this time, and I think this time around, looking at the how tickets are being, the seats are being filled, how quickly it's going over. I think this time around the film is going to be a hit, definitely.
Phenomenal. Okay, yeah. Tripti. A few words. Yeah.
Well, it's a very, very special moment for all of us sitting here, I feel. It's been 6 years to the release of Laila Majnu, and आज जब मैं बाहर खड़ी थी सबके साथ, I think this was something that we did long back when our trailer was releasing. We had the same butterflies in our stomachs, and we have the same level of nervousness, same level of excitement, and this is just a very special feeling, I would say. And 6 साल हो गए हैं फिल्म को, बट मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ ये बात साजिद सर को, वो मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं करते थे पहले कि आज तक एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं गया है, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल डे वेर आई हैवंट रिसीव्ड अ मैसेज on my Instagram or Facebook for Laila Majnu. I mean, the kind of love that we've received for this film is
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. And जब हमने अनाउंस किया था एक्चुअली कि कश्मीर में फिल्म वापस रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो मुझे इतने सारे मैसेजेस आए फ्रॉम पीपल कि यार वाई नॉट इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, वाई नॉट इन लंदन, वाई नॉट इन दिल्ली, बॉम्बे. एंड जब मैंने कल पोस्ट डाला कि अब इट्स रिलीजिंग ऑल ओवर इंडिया, सो everybody is just extremely happy, and I think this is only possible because of their love. So I want to thank the audiences first, and then thank my entire team for making a film like this, because it is something that will always hold a very special place in my heart.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Avinash, could we have a few words from you?
I still remember when the film released, Imtiaz sir said that a film is for life, and if it is any good, it will keep finding its audience. When he said that, I did not want to believe it, because तेरी film तो नहीं चल रही है ना theater में. But over the past 6 years, the amount of love and credibility that we have earned from the film, the love that we've received from the audience, there was this constant feeling that they wanted to go out and scream to the world. For those who had seen it, they wanted to really scream it to the world and say, please watch this film. This is something beautiful, something brilliant. And they've been screaming this for the longest period. And finally, I think we have PVR Inox, who actually is listening to you, who is listening to the audience. And it's time now that you are heard. So keep your voices up. Make sure that you keep raising it, because there's someone listening to you. But thank you so much for making this happen. This is an incredible feeling. Like I keep saying, the third day when I went with my family to watch this film, the posters were being pulled down. To going to Srinagar, a release happening. I think it's still running houseful there. I see houseful on major screens here in Bombay. I think it's going to happen all over the country. All I can say is thanks. I just want to thank everyone here, and it's a great feeling. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Ajay sir, before I shoot out a question to you right now, I just want to share this experience. Yesterday I got a call for hosting this event, and I mean, it's a coincidence that I was in Kashmir for the last 7 days. All right, I went to Srinagar, I went to Gulmarg with my family, and the last one which I did is Pahalgam. And yesterday I was just getting boarding on the flight, and I got a call to host this event. So it's such a coincidence that when honestly, I saw the trailer yesterday. I had not seen the movie before, but I saw the movie yesterday, and Kashmir, and I got this call. So it's such a lovely coincidence that I'm hosting the show today. So just wanted to share that, right, sir? And so Ajay sir, yeah. Oh, all right. My pleasure, sir. All right, Ajay sir, I'm going to shoot out a question to you. That is, what inspired PVR Inox to launch the cult classic IP, and how do you see it impacting the audience movie-going experience? Like what do you feel about these re-releases, and how do you think they are going to be responding? As you got a good response for the Rockstar, and you said this movie is also going to be releasing in 75 cinemas, right?
Yeah, I mean, the infrastructure is already built. We have 1,780 odd screens now all over the country, and lots of seats that need to be filled up. So if the infrastructure is made to show films, and films don't have to be brand new every time, it can be classics, and the whole family, our family is like massive movie buffs, my kids, my wife, my brother. So I think it's all driven from love for movies. So it was a very easy decision, because we grew up watching movies over and over again, And I said, okay, why are we not showing old films? Because just now, there's no question about the fact that post-COVID, there's been a lot of volatility, unpredictability. But जैसे इम्तियाज़ ने बोला कि ये there's some timeless classics, which can, people still want to go and watch them. And so we did some festivals to begin with. We did Mr. Bachchan's festival and some other festivals, and we did Rockstar. And I said, wow, this is quite incredible that the love for movies, even which are available easily, and the creativity of talented people who are sitting here, that they can still pull the audiences back. So it was no brainer. And now we've got a full-time guy. That's all he's doing. We've recruited somebody, and his job is only not to look at new movies and look at old classics and bring them back. And 75 screens we're playing this film. But you never know. Sometimes they grow organically. अभी तो 75 screens में डाला है. मुझे लगता है कि जिस तरह का response मैं सुन रहा हूँ, और screen में आ जाएगा. और programming को पूरी छूट है कि जितनी मर्जी screens में लगाना लगाए, कोई problem नहीं है.
Wow. Sir, one last question to you from my side is that how do you like go about choosing the film, like ये release करनी है या what is that thought process behind it when you do a re-release of these films? What is the thought process behind it? Like how do you actually choose a film?
I think you know that the content was good,
right,
and you also sometimes, like Imtiaz said, that this movie had to be. I didn't know, to be honest with you. I hope. Don't blame me if it was taken out after 4. But पता होता है picture अच्छी है, लेकिन बहुत कई बारी factors होते हैं due to which a movie does not do well. Sometimes it clashes with another big movie. Sometimes some other incident happens, or which doesn't give it that kind of maybe marketing, or could be just something can happen. और लोगों को तो I think फिर my team looks at it कि picture में बहुत जान है. और इसको शायद अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला होगा जब रिलीज हुई होगी, तो इसको रिलीज करना चाहिए. तो ऑब्वियसली कंटेंट इज व्हाट पुल्स, दैट्स व्हाट क्रिएट्स दैट कंपेलिंग आर्गुमेंट इन फेवर ऑफ रिलीजिंग द मूवी. तो जितनी मूवीज़ हम रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं अच्छी मूवीज़ ही हैं जो लोगों को पसंद आई थी, और इजी डिसीजन, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
ओके, ऑलराइट, थैंक यू सर. ट्रूली अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ, मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है, लाइक कि अगर कोई मूवी पहले सम क्लासिक फिल्म इज गेटिंग रिलीज्ड, आई थिंक इवन आई वुड आल्सो लव टू गो एंड वॉच दिस. आई एम डेफिनेटली ऑडियंस एज वेल. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this lovely initiative which you have taken. Imtiaz, sir, question for you. What's your thought on the special initiative which is re-releasing of the cult and classic films? What's your thought on that, sir?
The thought is of gratitude, and the thought is also that when we love a film, we don't watch it one time. We watch it several times. And the way we love to watch movies is actually on the big screen with, we work very hard to create Dolby Atmos worthy sound. We decide where to put which sound track so that it can be enjoyed by the audience. All of that to be, just the audio to be enjoyed well, you need a theater like this. You need this height and width, and we take a lot of pains in making a movie. So watching it on a big screen is what any filmmaker would want, I think. So I'm very thankful and very happy that this has finally happened. I felt that there was a genuine need in the market for old movies that we keep talking about. Whenever we meet, we talk about these films, but we never get to see them in the way we want to see them. So there's gratitude, thankfulness, and also complimenting you, Mr. Bijli, on the smartness of the idea. I feel, Ajay, yeah. Same college. Yeah, but now I've realized something.
So who was the?
Yeah, we went to the same college, but we didn't know each other while in college. So yeah, but it's gratitude, and it's a very smart idea. And the best thing over here is what Avinash also mentioned, that it's the voice of the people. We are here to serve people, and all these seats are for you guys. So if you want something, say it. There is social media, there is the works for it, and it will be heard. And you have to rule the market and not the other way around.
Fantastic. So as you mentioned, same college, so senior कौन था? मतलब I mean senior थे कि same same.
उसीलिए मैंने बोला कि I'm calling him Mr. Bijli now.
Thank you, sir. Oh, okay. Thank you, Imtiaz, sir. Sajid sir, आपके लिए एक सवाल है, almost similar ही है, but being a director, how do you feel about this entire re-release जो हो रहा है, and it's your movie, you've put your heart and soul into it, sir, and what is your thought on this entire re-release thing?
फील ऐसा हो रहा है कि खबर से बाहर निकलने में क्या फील होगा. It's a new lease of life. It is unbelievable. It is yet to sink into my system.
Right.
And I think it will take some time. And the more unbelievable part about this is the response that we are getting from the people. It came out in Kashmir initially, and वहाँ पर it is, I'm told, still doing very good business, running almost houseful. And then I was thinking कि ठीक है, कश्मीर की कहानी है, कश्मीर के लोगों को एक level पे बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी, but I don't know if it will translate to the rest of the country. But I became numb when I came to know that there are people who still are, taking out time and making the effort to come to the theaters and watch it. It is something that money can't buy. It is something that you don't plan for. It's something that happens. So it feels divine. So I really feel touched by divinity, and just want to be in that for a while.
Absolutely, that's amazing. Thank
Stay
you very
nice
much.
to your actors, and this will keep happening, bro.
Stay nice to my act. Well, I haven't stayed nice to you guys, so this is happening,
Okay, Tripti, I have a question for you. How's your journey been overall till now, from there to now, like entire journey for this film also, if I say, everything, and what do you feel about this entire re-release of your film?
दो film चल रही है मैडम की, दो film चल रही है theater में.
It's been amazing. Yeah, I truly feel that I truly feel blessed, and I'm really, really grateful that people are loving the film and showing so much love. And Avinash ने अभी बताया कि I missed Kashmir because Kashmir में scene ही बहुत अलग था. Like everybody was going crazy over our hero. and मैं एक बात आपको बताना भूल गई कि recently मैं ना कुछ और film देखने I was going to the theater and I think entered the wrong स्क्रीनिंग. मैं ऑडी 3 में चले गई, ऑडी 2 की जगह जैसे, एंड वहाँ पे रॉकस्टार चल रही थी. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह शिट, आई मिस्ड इट एट द टाइम बिकॉज I don't know why, for some reason I didn't watch it then on the big screen, and this time I just landed up there and I just missed that film and I watched I sat down for Rockstar with my mom and I watched Rockstar. So, and actually literally I prayed to God that time कि काश ये लैला मजनू के लिए भी हो पाता, and this has happened now. So I'm truly grateful to you, sir, and to PVR INOX and to everybody who's made it possible.
Wow, amazing. I guess your manifesting powers are amazing.
It's very strong.
Okay.
Pass it on.
Avinash, what's your take on this entire this?
She actually said almost every sentiment that I have.
Okay.
That the feeling that it was 6 years back and we felt that we've kind of moved on from Laila Majnu, though it would keep coming up in conversation, and it would to a point started irritating me that बस करो, हो गए 6 साल इस फिल्म को, अब तो and तब क्यों नहीं देखने आए थे, that was my feeling when they would share love. But now it's time, and it's you, like, no matter what I say, it's the people who have brought it back. It's their love, and all I can do is join my hands and bow to them. Thank you.
Wow, amazing. And I feel that this entire initiative will give a second chance to all of these films which can be showcased, and inshallah they'll do much more better, right? So
I really hope it inspires everyone to believe that if, like Sir had said once, just focus on the good content.
Amazing.
We get over a period of time in the last 6 years that I've been part of the industry, there's so many things that you hear in your ears. ये करना चाहिए था, वो करना चाहिए था, ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए. And this has almost given rest to all those conversations.
Super.
I feel vindicated. I'm sure people who love the film feel vindicated, and it's for us to take it on from here on.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. And now I'm going to open this for the media to please ask all your questions to them, and you can take over.
हाय इम्तियाज सर, साजिद सर, पहले आप दोनों से सवाल है, फिर अविनाश और तृप्ति से भी पूछूंगा। जब भी कोई फिल्म मेकर, डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर अपनी पुरानी फिल्मों को देखता है रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव में, तो उसे बहुत सारी खामियां भी नज़र आती हैं और उसे लगता है यार काश आप प्रोड्यूसर थे, राइटर थे, आपने डायरेक्ट की थी, उसे लगता है कि काश यार इसमें मैंने ये बदलाव किए होते, काश उसको ऐसे बनाया होता, या काश इसमें ये चीज़ भी डाली होती मैंने। इम्तियाज़ और साजिद, आप दोनों को कुछ ऐसा लगता है अपनी फिल्म लैला मजनू के बारे में?
साजिद सर बोलेंगे एक्टर्स कोई और होने चाहिए।
एक्चुअली मैंने क्योंकि ये फिल्म डायरेक्ट नहीं की है, मुझे मेरा कोई हक नहीं बनता बोलने का कि मुझे क्या ख़राब लगता है, और मैं इतना स्टूपिड भी नहीं हूँ कि अभी आपके सामने सब कुछ पोल खोल दूँ। बट ये बात आपने बिल्कुल सही कही, कोई भी फिल्म हो, जैसे रॉकस्टार है, मैं रॉकस्टार के बारे में बोलता हूँ, उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे लगी कि मैंने 3-4 बार देखी। जब री रिलीज़ हुई फिल्म, पहली बार यहाँ देखा था, फिर और भी थिएटर्स में जा करके मैंने देखा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें अच्छी भी लगी, क्योंकि आप क्रिटिसाइज़ भी हमेशा करते हो ना अपनी फिल्मों को, आई थिंक कोई भी करता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको गलत लगती हैं, बट 12 साल के बाद, 14 साल के बाद फिर वही चीज़ें कुछ और लगने लगती हैं, फिर आपको समझ में आता है कि ऑडियंस को क्या चीज़ अच्छी लगी होगी। सो इट्स अ वेरी बिग लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस एक्चुअली फॉर अ फिल्म मेकर टू वॉच हिज फिल्म आफ्टर अ वाइल। नाउ ओवर टू साजिद।
सर, आप ये सवाल अगर मुझसे एक हफ्ते पहले पूछे होते तो मैं बहुत आपको एक लंबी चौड़ी लिस्ट बताता, बट आज मुझे कुछ बुरा नहीं लगता इस फिल्म में। मुझे सब अच्छा लग रहा है और कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है।
तृप्ति और अविनाश, बीइंग न्यू कमर्स, हम जब एक्टिंग करते हैं किसी फिल्म में तो बहुत नर्वसनेस होती है, हम अपने क्राफ्ट को लेकर बहुत श्योर नहीं होते हैं। नाउ इट्स बीन लाइक 6 years, आप लोग सीजन्ड एक्टर्स हैं, तमाम फिल्मों में काम कर चुके हैं। रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव में आप लोगों को क्या लगता है इस फिल्म में एक्टिंग को लेकर, और क्या कुछ अलग कर सकते थे आप लोग?
सर, अभी यहाँ बैठते ही ना मुझे तृप्ति ने कहा हाथ आज भी काँप रहे हैं ना। कुछ नहीं बदला सर, 6 साल पहले जितने हम गवार थे आज भी उतने ही हैं। ये बस आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट ग्रेट फॉर्चून दैट हमें काम मिल रहा है, और होपफुली अगले 10 साल में कुछ ना कुछ सीख जाए, ये मेरी उम्मीद है अपने आप से। आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट तृप्ति बिकॉज शी इज़ रियली लाइक किलिंग इट एंड हाउ। तृप्ति, इफ यू कैन गिव अस सम टिप्स आल्सो हाउ टू।
सर, मुझे तो उस टाइम पे भी एक्टिंग अविनाश और साजिद सर ने मिलके बैठा के सिखाई थी, क्योंकि मुझे अच्छे से याद है जब मैंने फिल्म ज्वाइन की थी तो बिल्कुल मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था सीरियसली, और काफ़ी ऑडिशंस हुए मेरे, और मुझे आज भी याद है ये दोनों ना बैठ के फिल्मी बातें करते थे। दे वुड टॉक अबाउट कैरेक्टर एनालिसिस एंड दिस एंड दैट, और मेरे सब ऊपर से जाता था और मुझे लगता था क्या मैं सही कर रही हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, मतलब मैं कहीं गलत जगह तो नहीं आ गई। बट जो भी मैंने सीखा है शूट करते करते सीखा है, और साजिद सर और अविनाश से सीखा। अविनाश ने बल्कि मुझे रेकमेंड किया था कि मैं एक्टिंग क्लास ज्वाइन करूँ आफ्टर फिनिशिंग द फर्स्ट स्केड ऑफ द फिल्म, और जहाँ ये खुद जाता था इसने उसी स्कूल में मुझे भेजा, एंड आई एम ग्लैड ही डिड दैट। बट या इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस, और आज भी सीख ही रहे हैं हर फिल्म के साथ। आई थिंक आप कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखते हो, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपको सब कुछ आता हो, और जिस दिन ऐसा लगे समझ जाओ आपको कुछ नहीं आता। आई फील
बस जाते जाते एक छोटा सा सवाल और, इम्तियाज़ अली ने इतनी बेहतरीन फिल्में बनाई हैं अपने करियर में पिछले 20 सालों में, अगर तृप्ति और अविनाश आपसे पूछूं कि इम्तियाज़ अली की किसी एक फिल्म में अगर आप इमेजिन कर पाए कि आप हीरो बन पाते काश, और तृप्ति आप इमेजिन कर पाते कि उनकी किस फिल्म की आप हीरोइन हो सकते हो, कौन सी होगी?
सर, ऐसे तो सारी फिल्मों में हमको लगता है कि मुझे ही हीरोइन होना चाहिए था, मैं क्यों नहीं। पर अगर फिर भी मुझे एक नहीं मैं 2 पिक करूँगी, एक सोचा ना था और एक जब वी मेट।
ओके, नाइस।
सर, ये सब आप गड़े हुए दर्द जो है बाहर निकाल रहे हैं सर। सर, मुझे याद है जब मैंने रॉकस्टार का ट्रेलर देखा था, मुझे ईर्ष्या हो गई थी रणबीर कपूर से कि हाउ कुड दिस मैन डू दिस एंड आई एम नॉट देयर। मुझे वो थैंकफुली लैला मजनू करने का मौका मिल गया, वरना वो ईर्ष्या में जलते ही रहता। सो इफ यू हैव टू नेम वन, रॉकस्टार वुड डेफिनेटली बी देयर बिकॉज इट वाज स्ट्रेट ऑन, आई सॉ इट एंड कुछ तो अंदर चिल्ला चिल्ला कर रो रहा था सर वो ट्रेलर देखने के बाद।
ओके, थैंक यू।
If you had to name one, you should say his next.
ओके, मैं यहाँ पे एक जस्ट गोना टेक अ 1 minute pause before the media has other questions. हम लोग एक there's a ritual where we have our esteemed guests sign the golden ticket. So we're going to do that first, and then the media can continue asking some few questions. So can we have the golden ticket? Yeah.
Sir, can you just have everyone just sign this golden ticket and we can have one picture, the group picture today? Handy. That's why I just thought. We are part of the moment. Yeah, we are part of
I can't tell you how happy I'm feeling to sign this. Usually I've always maintained a producer's job is so thankless. Picture बन जाती है, सब हम सेट कर देते हैं, फिर रिलीज हो जाती है, प्रोड्यूसर को कोई याद नहीं करता।
अभी भी साइन नहीं करवा रहे जो चेक्स पे करवा रहे।
I think प्रोड्यूसर का सबसे बड़ा रिवॉर्ड वही है जब बैंक में उसके अकाउंट में पैसे आते हैं।
You can sign. We will have a group picture.
Yes.
And then we'll continue with.
Okay, now can we have a group picture with that?
We'll just have one group picture.
Come here.
Come now.
So part of the team, no?
Yeah.
We had a lovely wishes throughout.
Yeah. आगे आ जाएं. Just come forward.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. सबसे शांत बंदा हो गया। सबसे बड़ा बदमाश तो नहीं। अभी भी है ना अंदर ही अंदर है।
Okay, so you may take your seats again and let the media continue asking a few questions. Yes. Yeah. We have the next 10 minutes, or 5-7 minutes, where you can ask your questions.
इम्तियाज़ जी हाँ मैं ही हूँ सामने आपके सामने
अभी बदला ले रहे हो तुम?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। सो इम्तियाज़ जी जो भी पौधा आप हमारी इंडस्ट्री में लेकर आते हैं और आगे चलकर वो बहुत बड़ा वृक्ष बन जाता है एंड डे बाय डे उनकी शाखाएं बढ़ती चली जाती हैं, चाहे मैं रॉकस्टार से रणबीर कपूर की बात करूं, हाईवे से आलिया भट्ट, नाउ अब तृप्ति दिमरी, जिस तरह से ये हमारी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को चला रहे हैं और लाइक हिट पे हिट फिल्में दे रहे हैं। सो कैसे देखते हैं आप और क्या क्राइटेरिया होती है आप जब, मुझे याद है 6 साल पहले जब तृप्ति दिमरी स्टेज पे ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ था तो डरी सी सहमी थी एंड नाउ आज हमारी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की सुपरस्टार है, एनिमल करती हैं, बैड न्यूज़ लाती हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करती हैं। आप बताइए कैसे आप देखते हैं?
हमारा काम बहुत सिंपल है यार, अगर देखा जाए तो। जो काम करने के लिए मैं जमशेदपुर से आया था वो सिर्फ सपना देखना होता है। हमारा काम है सपने देखना। जब हम अपना काम करते हैं, कास्टिंग हो या लिखना हो, हम वही करते हैं जो हमारे दिल में आता है। और आई थिंक वो जो दिल की बात होती है वही आगे पहुंचती है। उसके बीच कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं लगाता मैं कि ऐसा करेंगे तो ये वृक्ष इस तरह से फैलेगा या ये एक्टर कल को बहुत बड़ा स्टार बन जाएगा। हम वही एक्टर्स चुनते हैं जो हमारे लिए सूटेबल होते हैं, प्रतिभाशाली होते हैं और जिनका एक सच्चा प्यार होता है एक्टिंग से और फिल्म मेकिंग से। उन्हीं लोगों को चूज़ करने की कोशिश करते हैं। काम बड़ा सिंपल है। इसमें जब बहुत ज़्यादा कैलकुलेशन लग जाती है ना तो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, मगर फाइनली हम रियलाइज़ करते हैं कि उससे कुछ होता नहीं है। अपना काम सीधे सच्चे तरीके से करते जाना एक सिंपल और अच्छा अप्रोच होता है मेरे ख्याल से।
तृप्ति जी अब आप मानती हैं ना कि एक्टिंग करने अब आपको आ गया है, लाइक अब ढेरों सारी हिट फिल्में देंगी अब?
तो ये सवाल मेरे डायरेक्टर से पूछना.
Hi, this is Sohail from Instant Bollywood. Hi, congratulations to everyone. दो तीन क्वेश्चन है सभी लोगों से. मिस्टर बिजली, आपसे मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा. लाइक योर लव फॉर फिल्म्स एक्चुअली, यू आर अ वेरी स्मार्ट बिजनेसमैन ऑल्सो. तो मुझे ये पूछना है कि अभी या एक्चुअली क्या है कि इन दिनों कुछ फिल्में बहुत सारी मतलब नॉट डूइंग वेल ऑल्सो एंड लॉट्स ऑफ नॉट पीपल नॉट कमिंग टू थिएटर्स ऑल्सो. तो फ्रॉम द बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू या फिर योर लव फॉर फिल्म्स यू नो के लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करना है, तो इवन ये जो री रिलीज़ हो रही है अच्छी फिल्में इनफैक्ट लाइक यू नो giving a good platform also to people, so something on that thing like you know or it's an amalgamation of everything like kya hai?
Yeah, no, like I said earlier, obviously you have to fill up the cinemas, so नई movies की एक भी डिमांड है. बीच में हमने alternate programming शुरू कर दी थी. क्रिकेट शो भी दिखाया, T20 मैचेस दिखाए हमने, फुटबॉल के भी यू नो काफ़ी वर्ल्ड कप का दिखाया. So I think why not movies? And as I said, movies can be new, they can be old. So I think it's a function of both. Love for movies remains, and to fill up the cinemas also is an important thing, and also get people to watch, you know, movies on the big screen. As Imtiaz said, they're meant for the big screen. So much effort gets put. So वो enhance होती हैं जब सिनेमा पे आती हैं. तो it's a combination of everything.
Yeah, और मेरा क्वेश्चन है अविनाश एंड तृप्ति से भी. जैसे हम बड़े हुए एक डायलॉग सुनकर यू नो कि भगवान के घर में देर है अंधेर नहीं एक्चुअली. तो ये मैनिफेस्टेशन जो कहते हैं हम एक्चुअली, सर आपने कहा था कि भगवान से आपने प्रे किया था उस वक्त, तो क्या मानते हो आज लेकिन वो दिन आ गया है इनफैक्ट लेकिन
जी ज़रूर. और ये फिल्म सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है उसका. ये जो भी आज हो रहा है, फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है दोबारा से और लोग देखने जा रहे हैं. उस वक्त हमें ज़रूर बुरा लगा था. मुझे याद है अविनाश और मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा बुरा लगा था, क्योंकि मैं तो सोचती थी आपसे कल के बाद मैं मार्केट जा ही नहीं पाऊँगी, क्योंकि मेरी फिल्म आ रही है एंड आई विल बी सो फेमस दैट आई वोंट बी एबल टू स्टेप डाउन एंड यू नो बाय वेजिटेबल्स. बट none of that happened and the film didn't get you know people didn't go to watch the film in theaters. but आज वही लोग जब बोलते हैं कि गलती हो गई, काश बिग स्क्रीन पे देखी होती, इतनी अच्छी फिल्म थी. तो लगता है कि हाँ, देर है अंधेर नहीं है. और हमारी फिल्म का डायलॉग मैं यूज़ करूँगी इसके लिए कि हमारी कहानी लिखी हुई है और ये होना ही था.
उन्होंने कह दिया जो कहना था. आई ट्रूली बिलीव कि ये जो हो रहा है वो हमारे बस में है नहीं, हमारे बस का है नहीं. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली लाइक माई डायरेक्टर सेड, सम डिवाइन फोर्स. एंड द ओनली थिंग देन आई अंडरस्टैंड इज what we had within us was absolute love and dedication and commitment to do good work, and this is a reward for it. This is my understanding, this is my only learning from here on.
आपकी सोचा ना था अभी लाइक यू नो इट वाज सच अ गुड फिल्म. आगे आने वाले दिनों में लाइक कैन वी सी दिस आल्सो लाइक यू नो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल हु हैव रियली अप्रिशिएटेड दिस फिल्म.
Maybe there will be something that we launch forward. Let's see.
We are actually demanding it.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Samina here from Zoom channel. My question is to Tripti and Avinash. When you look back at your career, you know, starting with Laila Majnu together, and you know, Animal and Bombay Meri Jaan, both being you know pivotal right now, you know, for your career move for that matter. So when you look back at Laila Majnu, what is that one memory you always cherish and you felt like, okay, you know, being a part of this one was the best decision of your life?
It's difficult to pick one. I think the whole experience, it's difficult to put it in words. It's something that has taught us so much. It's a film that मैंने जैसे कि अभी पहले बताया, I didn't know acting, I didn't know this world never existed for me, and whatever I've learned as an actor, whether it's set mannerisms or acting, I've learned from this particular film. And पहले लगता था ना जैसे कि क्या acting ही तो है, मतलब you're going there, you're acting, that's about it. You didn't know the hardships that come with it, कि आपको 12 तो कम बोल रही हूँ मैं 12 on a very good day, long hours you have to work without sleep, sometimes without food. If a shot is going on, you can't just you know, take a break in between and go eat your food. And it's not just you doing it, it's your entire team, your director, your, you know, actors, co-actors, the entire team, you know, people who work off camera. So it's a, you know, very difficult job, not acting, but everything else, everybody else who works to make a film what it is. तो आई थिंक पहले बहुत ही डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव था फिल्म्स को लेके, एंड ये फिल्म करके वो सब चेंज हुआ.
What you, Avinash?
Thank
Sorry, my apologies, but I have a flight to catch and I'll need to go. I can stop shows, but not airlines. Okay? So, thank you once again for being here, and thanks, guys.
Thank you, Ajay.
Thanks.
Sir. Thank you very much for your presence. Thank you. Thank you, Ajay, sir.
You know, I went to Srinagar recently during the release, and it kind of threw up a lot of memories of shooting the film. And just right now, when Tripti was talking about the hardship that one went through, Tripti, you have given me credit for acting, teaching and all that. तुमने जो चाय बनवाई है ना मुझसे, so one thing I realized is उस पूरे 4 महीने जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, मुझसे कम से कम दिन के 5 कप चाय बनवाई जाती थी. At that point, ma'am did not have a boy, so I was doing those services. And if you guys have liked her work in that film, you know some credit goes to me as well. So I'll take that credit.
Thank you so much. And last question to you, Imtiaz sir. We are seeing that cult movies suddenly, like, you know, pick up, you know, be it Gangs of Wasseypur, be it Andaz Apna Apna, and, you know, Tamasha for that matter, and now Laila Majnu. And Laila Majnu also suddenly picked up with the audience. Do you feel that maybe the references given, or, you know, the mindset is not as such, you know, there, you know, while watching the movie, that suddenly it picks up? Like, what is the theory behind this?
No, I feel that when any producer makes a movie, they don't plan for a cult classic film. They want an instant hit film. And the instant noodleness of it had become a bit too much. And I think a counterbalancing was anyways required, a correction, so that a film is not only made for first day, first show. Of course, first day, first show is when everybody should watch it, but then it should also last. And so I'm very happy that this correction is being affected by all of these great films. Like Andaz Apna Apna, I'd love to watch on the big screen. You know, almost any, like, these old films, there are many old films that we would like to watch, and I'm very happy and thankful that some of mine are also being included in the list. I wouldn't have put them there, but I'm glad that the audience has. And yeah, may this happen more and more, I feel.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi.
Thank you very much. Okay, one last? All right. So one last question.
from Bollywood now. Avinash, my question is to you. मजनू के कैरेक्टर ने आपको कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस किया, आपके पर्सपेक्टिव को ऑन लव एंड रिलेशनशिप?
He's destroyed forever now.
सोच कर SMS कर दूंगा. I really don't know how it has impacted me. I think ये ज़रूर होगा कि once the film was done and it didn't do well, I just wanted to run away from the idea of Laila Majnu and all of that. I wanted to kind of not look at that side because it would give me some pain. झूठ है तुम्हारी दुनिया. I used to actually feel कि ये झूठ है ये सब दुनिया की, ये करने से ऐसा हो जाता है वो हो जाता है. And eventually आज देखकर ज़रूर लगता है कि सच है यार, सच है. पहाड़ों के उस पार एक दुनिया है जहाँ पे आप जिस प्योरिटी की आप बात करते हो, if it stays within you, there is that world there. And like I said, I feel vindicted. I'm sure people who are associated with the feeling that you're talking about feel vindicted. They feel like, I know how many people have messaged me, said, apologize for not watching the film in the theater. Have said that how much they want people around them to watch the film. They're upset that their friend hasn't watched them. महीने पीछे पड़ के उन्हें film दिखाई है. And this is the opportunity. This is for the audience. This is.
I just want to say one thing that जब हम इस फिल्म के लिए कास्ट कर रहे थे और हमें मजनू चाहिए था, हमने इसको इसकी बहुत सारी ऑडिशंस की और इसको हमेशा रिजेक्ट कर देते थे और हम यू नो ही वाज सेइंग कि अगर हाँ लाइक और बार बार किसी और के पास जाके वापस इसके पास आते थे, बट ही हैड दिस थिंग दैट अगर कोई मजनू करेगा तो वो सिर्फ मैं ही करूँगा और कोई नहीं कर सकता है. सो दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ faith he had in the film.
All right, thank you everyone. Thank you for this. Yes, we'll come to the closure of this. So signing off, Parvez Mantri, and thank you Imtiaz sir, thank you Sajid sir, thank you Tripti, thank you Avinash, and thank you Preeti ma'am for your time. And yes, thank you media. Yes, can we have a few last pictures, like a photo? Yes, together.